Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Amazon Shopping app. So all you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on Amazon Shopping here. Then it's going to take you to this list here, just scrolling down here. So when you just scrolling down here until you will find here Prime Benefits updates, so then you will find free rewards balances and updates. Clicking this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean free rewards balances and updates about Prime Benefits updates notifications enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking